All right, so we're going to go over the anti-steering. So if you want to go ahead and go over to the MLO portal in the back office, and you can scroll pretty much all the way down, tools and resources. Oops, sorry, that's not the one we want. We want forms and miscellaneous. Scroll down, we do have a blank one of these. You can open it up right here by clicking pop out, and you can download it to your computer, PDF style if you like. So I have one pulled up here. We're going to go ahead and fill this out real quick. Option 1 and option 2 are always going to be the same for the most part. So you want to pick loan with the lowest interest rate. So let's say we have this priced out with UWM. The lowest rate today is going to be 2%. So we'll go back over here and type in 2%. The cost to get that is going to be $20,186.80. So it's $20,186.80. We're going to do the same thing on line 2 here. $21,86.80. This states loan with the lowest interest rate without risky features, including negative amortization, prepayment penalty, interest-only payments, balloon payment in the first 7 years of the life of the loan, demand feature, shared equity, or shared appreciation. So we're not doing that type of loan. Option 3, loan with the lowest total dollar amount for origination, points, or fees, and discounts. So this one over at UWM today is going to be 3.625. So it's going to be 3.625, and the rebate on that is 21,800. 21,800. And then we're going to check this box. If loan option 1 and loan option 2 are the same, I certify that there is not a difference between these options because I do not broker loans with risky features described in option 2. So yes, we are checking that box. And then in the bottom here, you are applying for a loan with the following terms. So let's state that we're doing something right about here. So we'll say it's a 2.625, 2.625, and that is going to give them a little rebate, 1,046.40, 1,040. All right, so top section is complete. Loan originator's name. Just type in your name here. Loan origination signature. Go ahead and sign there. Date it. Company name. It's going to be Multi-Rise Inc., which is the name of the corporation. Company address. I don't know why I skipped up there. 2, Wright Place, 200. And then you'll just put in your borrower name, have them sign and date. Always want to make sure that we are putting in actually the negative here and here because it is a rebate. All right, so that concludes the anti-steering. PDF that, have your client sign, and you can go ahead and submit that. Hope that answers your questions.